companies, I'm Bill from the EnergyBin team. As PV professionals, you are looking for strategies to save money without sacrificing quality. Wholesale buying is one way to lower your cost and streamline your supply chain process. To make sure you get the most out of buying your wholesale solar equipment, we have 10 tips that we'll unveil over the next several weeks. So be sure to subscribe to EnergyBin's YouTube channel to get these tips and more resources about buying and selling wholesale solar equipment. Ready for tip number 1? Here it is. Compare pricing online and get multiple quotes. The internet makes it easy to compare prices. Many online B2B exchanges promote transparency to level the playing field for companies of all sizes. Installers, EPCs, and brokers looking for wholesale deals can request quotes from multiple sellers by joining online exchanges or partnering with a solar equipment broker. We see a number of members on the EnergyBin platform frequently request quotes for their material lists. They tend to receive an average of 5 to 10 quotes within one business day. Even if you have established relationships with your primary distributor, it doesn't hurt to request quotes from other sellers. Requesting quotes on a regular basis helps you keep tabs on price trends in the market. That's our wholesale buying tip for today. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more tips. To learn more about EnergyBin, the B2B solar equipment trading community that connects solar companies and components at wholesale levels, visit our website or give us a call today.